We begin with the legal fight over Omaha's new gun rules as both sides make their case in front of a judge today. Thanks for joining us. I'm Bill Shammertz.
I'm Quinicia Fraser. The Nebraska Firearms Association Owners Association sued after Omaha banned firearms on city property, including parks and libraries. The city did that to take back local control after being forced to scrap other ordinances. That's because state lawmakers removed requirements for concealed carry.
Now, the city's facing pushback from gun owners and the state. KETV News Watch 7's Aaron Hegarty live with the big story at 6.
Yeah, and gun owners also want the judge to strike down 2 city ordinances, one banning bump stocks, the other banning unfinished parts of guns without a serial number. In late August, the Omaha City Council repealed 22 gun-related ordinances, begrudgingly, because LB 77 was about to go into effect and take away the city's ability to have those laws on the books. But amid concerns from city leaders, the city's attorney's office says it found things they could do within the new law.
LB 77, though it provided constitutional carry, did provide a lot of exceptions and a lot of limitations. And we think that was intentional, and we're attempting to comply with that particular legislative action.
One of them, an executive order from Mayor Gene Stothert banning firearms on city-owned spaces.
That's directly contrary to the law that the state passed. And of course, this means that Nebraskans now are not free to bear arms as they go about their business in the city.
The city argues a provision in state law allows them to do that. The plaintiffs argued the city's overstepping its authority, also by banning bump stocks and unfinished parts of guns without a serial number.
Well, of course, if you can't regulate the whole thing, it doesn't make sense that you be able to get around that by addressing specific parts.
They argue this isn't what the legislature intended.
Senator Brewer was very concerned, and so that's why he asked Attorney General Hilgers to weigh in on this question about whether or not Legislative Bill 77 did what the legislature thought it was doing.
In that opinion, Mike Hilgers argues both Omaha and Lincoln are violating the law by banning guns in public spaces like parks, trails, and sidewalks. Senators who were against the bill also watching the case closely.
I think of all of our law enforcement that is right there on the front lines, and I worry for their safety.
No decision was made this morning. The judge says she'll review the arguments and issue her ruling as soon as possible. Back to you.
All right, Aaron, thank you.